Olodumota. One transfer or she transfer. You brought it my way. You indirectly describe me. You bring all your problems, your issues, you bring it my way. And you are saying that IYABO, they should hold me responsible for anything that happens to you. I don't understand, Liz. We've not started the case, so don't celebrate. I like the fact that we've not started the case. ADR, Lashe, go and find out. Let your lawyers advise you on what ADR is. We've not started trial. Me and you, we still do try. All these allegations that you have, you will come with proof, with evidence. You will bring evidence. How me, my man, every other person around me.
Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, arábìnrin tí a mọ̀ sí Ìyábọ̀ Òjó, ó ti DAR LIZZY Anjorin. Ó ní wípé kó mú gbogbo evidence rẹ̀ jáde o, wípé òun pẹ̀lú rẹ̀ pé káwọn mú nǹkan lẹ̀. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, kí ló tún ṣẹlẹ̀? Wàhálà dé.
Mohbad, you will explain every allegations that you have. You will bring it. Thank God you said the person that came to post the letter in your house works with the court, Abi. You hold the person responsible. All the evidence, but the general public must know that if anything should happen to me, my daughter, my son, my family, anybody around me, they should hold you, Lizzy Anjorin, responsible for it. Because you are the one that has constantly been bullying me, constantly be doing numerous. I cannot count the amount of videos of you that I have. Constantly. Oh, not once have I defended you. Not once. Not once. But you will constantly come and say things about me. Every time. Different things. Lies upon lies. My daughter that has never done nothing to you, you came for her. You came for her wedding. You talked about her wedding ring. There's nothing. If you're having issues with people and they are dragging you, I don't see why that should be my business. Because a lot of your own people drag me. And I don't think I have one day gone to any one of them to accuse them or accuse you of being the one sending them to me. I have not for once come to say, oh, Liz, you sent your people to me. Oh, never. I see all the videos most times. I see them when they come. They drag me. But I have never accused you for it. Because they are an adult. They have the right to choose who they want to drag and who they don't want to drag. It has nothing to do with me. If I feel like I'm very uncomfortable with that, I know the right things to do. I know the right things to do. So, you coming out now